Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your account is level 20 or higher and event access is enabled. Next, gather core tokens, Sugar Shard, Time Ribbon, and June Emblem, because these unlock the initial ritual. Once done, free up at least 5 inventory slots and carry a half stack of health items to avoid interruptions. Do this now so you can immediately begin the unlocking sequence, missing any token stalls progress and wastes time. You move into the core sequence by tackling Sweet Dawn, a 15-minute timed run that reliably drops the Sugar Shard when you prioritize speed and route efficiency. After that, trade 2 rare fragments at the Clockmaker NPC to secure a Time Ribbon. This exchange is locked to daily resets, so plan accordingly. Then, enter the 3-round seasonal duel and focus on countering tempo opponents to claim a June Emblem. Make sure to pace actions to avoid time locks and respawn delays. You finish by bringing all tokens to the Eternal Oven pedestal and performing the forging sequence. Place Sugar Shard, Time Ribbon, and June Emblem into the slots in that order to initiate the bake. Once the item forms, spend 500 event coins to stabilize the Eternal effect. This prevents decay over time. If the process fails, don't panic. Rerun the seasonal duel to gain a replacement June Emblem quickly, then retry the pedestal. Retries are the intent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.